What is up, friends? I hope you're all having a fantastic New Year's. I may be posting this the day after, but probably not. Anyway, in this Roblox build, I'll be showing you how to make a simple tree with Blender. Don't get scared by Blender. I'll walk you through it step by step, and trust me, it's very simple. I'll see you there. Alright, now that you're in Blender, you're going to want to delete the cube in the middle by pressing X and then delete. Now, what you're going to do is go press Create, which is on the left side of your screen. Press Create, click on Cube. I just realized there's already a cube. So you're going to want to move it up. Scale it down by pressing S. Press Control F or Shift F, and then you can move around. So you can zoom in on your cube. Go to edit mode by pressing tab. Press Z. Now, right click each of your sides. Right click the top sides. Control right click or shift right click. Shift right click all of your sides. Now, move it up. Press S again, but only make it slightly smaller. Now you're going to want to press E and go to about this high. Then press E again, then go that high. Now you're going to want to press R and then rotate it that way. Then right click these. Right click these and then rotate it that way as well by pressing R. Now, by shift clicking each of these points, you want to move this over here. Maybe move this a little over there. Now, you'll see why I made this little increment right here. By the way, I'm using Control F to move around. So, you're going to click each of these. By the way, when you click each of the sides of an object, it'll highlight like this, so you know. You're going to press E, move it out, maybe move it up a little bit. Press R to rotate a little bit. Select these, rotate it as well. And now you're going to press Control R and just click. Same for this. Control R, click twice. Remember, you're going to have your cursor near it when you're pressing Control R. Now, you're going to go Control, left click, and then highlight these, and then press S. And then that for that, and then press S. Same for this. Because, you know, branches get smaller as they go up. Now we kind of want to make our tree a little more three-dimensional. So we're going to want to highlight all of this by pressing Control, left click, and then dragging. And then you can move this forward and then rotate it. Rotate it. That doesn't look very good. Rotate it like that. And then, no, this still doesn't look good. Here, let me get the rotating tool. To get the rotating tool, you just go down here. Yeah. You might want to rotate the base a little bit right here by shift clicking each of them. Shift right clicking. Oh, sorry. And then, to go back into object mode, you're going to want to press Tab and then Z. So now you have your basic design of your tree. Now what you're going to want to do is go to the right of your screen and click on the blue toolbar or blue wrench, which is right here. Click on the blue wrench, add modifier, click solidify. Just leave the thickness at what it is and then apply it. There you go. Now you have your base. You're going to want to go up to File, Export, FBX. Just save it as tree or tree. Alright, I already have tree saved. So tree 2 sounds good. Export. Alright, so you have your tree, but where are your leaves? So now that you have your tree saved, press X and then delete it. Now you're going to want to insert an isosphere. See where it says subdivisions? You're going to want to say 1. Then you're going to move this up. By the way, to get the move key, you go down here and then you click on the move arrow. Press tab to go into edit mode. Press S, then press X. And then scale it up or sideways, however you want to say it. And then click, and then press tab. And then press File, Export, FBX, Tree 2 Leaves. Export as FBX. Alright, now it's time to go back to Roblox. I'll see you there. Alright, now that you're back in Roblox, what you want to do is press File. Oh, sorry, no. We're going to go to Workspace, right click. Hold on, my studio's being laggy. Right click, Insert Object, Mesh Part. Go to Mesh Part. You're going to want to have Properties open. Go to Mesh ID. Press the little file. Go down to your tree. Open. This mesh you're inputting is very large. Would you like to resize the mesh? Yes. No. Alright, for this part, you're going to have a plugin called Model Resize. Scale it down. Alright, now you have your tree. So, make it wood. Whatever color you'd like. Now you're going to duplicate this. Insert a new mesh. Tree 2 leaves. Yes, no, like last time. Make this now plastic. Make it moss. Scale it down to a reasonable size. And now just place it on your tree. So maybe one here. One here. One right there. Alright, looks good. Duplicate, maybe add a little more depth to it. Looks good. Maybe move that over just a tad. Rotate it. Alright, looks good. Here we have our tree. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.